Good morning, my loves. Welcome back to Bauer Beauty, your favorite cosmetics channel on the whole entire planet. I'm Jenny, your host, licensed esthetician, founder of Bauer Beauty Skincare on Amazon, founder of BauerBeautyCompany.com, where we have skincare and educational materials. Welcome to my channel. Today, one of you guys requested this a while ago, and this is like my morning skincare routine, but like in action. You know, I woke up several hours ago, took my dog for a walk, worked, but now I want to like wash my face and like kind of get myself together for the day. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to do my morning skincare routine and I'm going to bring you with me. I don't know how exciting it's going to be, but it is what it is. So come on, let's go. Let's go to the bathroom. I mean, it truly looks like I'm in kind of like a mental institution, this background. These are like all my robes. Like this is like how many robes I think I need. This is not even cute. It's not even cute to have this many robes, I think. I feel like this is like Handmaid's Tale vibes. Anyways, okay, so this is the bad lighting in my bathroom, my temporary bathroom. A few things have changed since I've moved to Florida. Number one, I have to wash my face in the morning, otherwise I will die. My skin is so oily here and it is so hot here that I don't have a choice. Second of all, I don't always shower in the morning here because I have to shower at night. And I work out at night here. I don't work out in the morning. So it's like my whole routine has changed. So this is normally what I do. I wash my face in the morning and I don't shower in the morning. This is freaking revolutionary because since I started living in my life, I've showered in the morning. Now I just don't as much. So let's just put my hair up as normal. I have these little hair ties that I started using. They're like silk or something. I don't know. They're nice. So in the morning, I will always do like a gentle cleanse. And lately I've been using this because it sucks at getting makeup off. So I have to utilize it in another way. So I use it as a morning cleanser. I always wash my hands, so I have to go do that. I'll be right back. Take this Peach and Lily oil cleanser. I really like this, but like I said, it's horrible at getting makeup off. So it's kind of like a thicker syrupy texture, but when you put it on, it actually spreads out pretty thin. And I always use a oil cleanser or a gentle cleanser in the morning. Lately, it's always oil cleanser. I mean, it just depends. It's either oil cleanser or this one. Because I still do shower in the morning occasionally, and this is in my shower currently. But it's either an oil cleanser or this cleanser or some type of cream cleanser. And cleansing is happening in the morning here. I mean, that's a fact. So, now I'm just going to rinse this off. How you can tell if it's a good oil cleanser, it turns white when you add water. My battery's dead? Fuck my life. Now I'm drying off with this little paper towel. That's what I do. I always dry my skin with a clean toilet paper. So what I love about like oil cleansers, just like that one, is as you can see, like it's like my skin it still has its oil, it still has its barrier intact, but it took the excess oil off is what it did. So actually I'm gonna go in with like a little bit more oil cleanser because I just wanna do this for a moment because I've been obsessed with facial cupping, like truly obsessed with facial cupping. I did not pack these, I had to buy new ones. It's funny, all of my like skincare tools, like I hadn't used my facial cups in so long. Ever since I got here, I've been dying to use facial cups and other tools that I haven't used in so long, like my micro scrubber. As you can see, my skin is very irrational. It freaks the fuck out anytime I do anything. But I kind of like that because then like it's very communicative, you know, and it's very reactive, meaning it's going to tell you how it feels right away. That's why when I use a product, I know right away whether I like it or not, because this is what my skin looks like. Reactive is different than sensitive. This is reactive. Sensitive means like you can't tolerate that much, which in some cases I'm sensitive as well. But so this brings blood flow to whatever area. I'm using an oil cleanser because if I used a regular oil, it'd be harder to wash off. If you just use an oil cleanser, then it just is really easy to rinse off, but it still provides the glide that you need when you're doing this. And it actually feels just so amazing. Bringing blood flow to the surface is like, it's detoxifying, but it's also like it builds collagen, and I just feel like it plumps up the skin and just makes it look freaking so good. So I really like doing this in the morning. And if you'll notice, another dramatic thing is different about my routine, and that is the fact that I dry my skin off in the morning. Well, I started doing this because I find my vitamin C's are a little more potent if I dry my skin off. I'm gonna go in with this Timeless Vitamin C Serum because, like, I just feel like it. I don't know. It's very tingly. I'm in the mood for a tingly vitamin C. And I put 100 pumps in my palm and then I press it into my dry skin. And then it's like very tingly, and I push this all the way down here too. Another interesting thing I've been doing. Now, I should have done this other step first, but I didn't, so we're just gonna get over it. Because I forget that I've actually been doing this in the morning, because I just started, but I'm using my 2% BHA every single morning on my nose, on my T-zone, because I want to get rid of the sebaceous filaments. So really I should have done this first before the vitamin C, but it is what it is. So I put it on a cotton pad. I don't have my reusable cotton pads, so I bought garbage ones, you know, ones you throw away. And I just take it and put it all like in between my eyebrows and then down here on the sides of my nose. Do I look weird? I mean, I feel like I look weird because you can't see my whole outfit. And actually, I do not rinse this off because it's literally just my nose. But if I were to put it over my whole face, I definitely rinse it off. I'm really trying to clear up like the sebaceous filaments. That's why I do that. So now, what do we do now? So now I'm going to put a layer of moisturizer, and I'm using the oil-free, Cetaphil oil-free moisturizer. It's so good. You know I just said I wasn't gonna rinse that off, but I'm actually gonna rinse it off because I've been using it every day and it's tingly, especially because I put vitamin C on right before. I'm just gonna gently wipe that 2% BHA off, because once it tingles and does its job, it only needs to stay on for a minute or two before you take it off, you know? Okay, so now it feels better. Okay, so yes, I am going to use this Cetaphil Oil-Free Daily Moisturizer. I love this. I either use this, or I use this barrier serum, or I use this LaRoche-Posay matte gel moisturizer. Just something, some type of layer of moisture that's going to be occlusive but not oily before I apply my sunscreen. So I apply this all over my face. I love this moisturizer so much. It's so amazing. It is literally just watery. It's not greasy at all. It's just watery. It feels like you're spreading water all over your skin, but it's got an occlusive in it, obviously, so it's not like it's gonna evaporate and leave your skin worse. So then I go in with my Grande Lash MD. I'm addicted to this. I see a massive, massive, massive freaking difference using this. I see a massive, massive, massive difference in my lashes using this. It's kind of crazy. So you can't use it too many days. Sometimes you have to skip a day because it can be irritating, and then after you apply it, you have to rub the excess off because you don't want it sitting on your skin. And then I also apply it to the tails of my brows too. And then I apply a sunscreen, and then every day is a struggle. Like, what sunscreen am I gonna apply today? What do I feel like wearing? And so what do I feel like wearing? I am rotating between, I'll show you what I'm rotating between. I have many in here. I don't really feel like wearing any of them, actually. The Cetaphil Oil-Free SPF 35. I have the Kylie Skin SPF 40. I have the Tatcha SPF 50. It's a mineral. I have this random Dr. Gowda one that I love. It's a mineral. This LaRoche SPF 30 moisturizer. I have this SPF 50 mineral tinted by Skinceuticals. I have this SPF 30 mineral oil absorbing, and then I have this Alba SPF 45 sheer face shield. Those, oh, and then I have Versed Guards Up SPF 35. Love that. So yeah, I rotate between all of these. Oh, and then I have the Shiseido Urban Environment. So I don't feel like using any of these, to be honest, because I want one that's like, I kind of would like to wear the Biossance one. I just don't have the Biossance one with me. But I think Biossance would be a good option because I feel like wearing a mineral sunscreen. You guys, this is how addicted I am to the Kylie sunscreen. I have two and I brought them both with me. Like, that was not necessarily That was unnecessary. Okay, so I want to wear a mineral sunscreen. And I wish I had the Biossance one because it's pretty transparent and it's very like nutrient dense. So I want to wear a mineral one, so that narrows it down quite a bit, and I feel like I'll probably wear the Tatcha because out of the options, that's just what I feel like. So the Tatcha comes out very quickly. It's so fucking good. Tell me this isn't gorgeous. So it's kind of slightly tinted, and I do put this around my eye and towards the back of my ears, and I put a completely different one on my neck and chest and hands, by the way. And a lot of people when I do this will be like, oh my god, that's so much. Is that container gone in like a week? But no, because I don't use this every day, and actually it's not that much. It just looks like a lot. So, the thing is too though, when you have your eyebrows microbladed, you really gotta put sunscreen on your brows. And so if you get a mineral one, sometimes it, you know, changes the tone, because mineral sunscreens have a little bit of a white cast. This one doesn't, but it has a little bit of a tone still. It's a little bit skin toned. So if I go over my brows, see how it makes them a little bit whiter? It's okay, because I'm still gonna put it over my brows, and I'm just gonna wipe my brows down or fill them in or something, I don't know. You gotta make sure you get the backs of your ears and shit, okay? So this is what I do. I massage it all in. I take a completely separate one for my neck and chest and everything because, well, I don't want to put a tinted sunscreen on my freaking neck because it'll get on my clothes. So I'm using this Cetaphil SPF 35. And again, I'm just going to bring it up my ears, but I make sure I get like the sides of my neck, especially here. I mean, the sun is offensive here. It's like all up in your dick, all hours of the day. So before I leave or anything, I would definitely put like more sunscreen down here. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to do my favorite part, which is slightly unnecessary, which I'll show you why. Slightly unnecessary since I already used a mineral sunscreen, but I just love the extra protection here in South Florida. Like, give me that freaking sunscreen. That's all I have to say. So I take this eye cream. So I use that mineral sunscreen. I put it around my eyes already, but it doesn't matter because I like doing this. It's slightly tinted. So it really offers a little bit of coverage. And I just take it all the way back here and on the lid and all over the place, really. It's a thing that I do. And then after this, I would do my makeup, which I am not wearing makeup. After this, if I was gonna wear makeup, I would probably just do concealer and set it because I'm wearing a tinted. Give or take, that is pretty much my current morning skincare. Like, obviously I rotate between products. Pretty much that's my morning routine. And this is what my face looks like. But of course, I probably put some more makeup on. This was just like my morning skincare routine. I might put some mascara and stuff on. And I definitely need to change my outfit. That's my morning skincare routine right now, presently. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, check all the links in the description for everything that you need, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.